what somebody threw out.
Okay, so you're making part of...
No.
Oh, this is so cool.
Actually, I just have to do this part and then
This is so cool. And so is this another one of those...
It's a trailer. This is my trailer.
not going to carry people? What did they call
No, I
them?
think it's just for groceries, for carrying things.
Said he would like to, but you know, it's just a trailer right now.
So creative.
It's nice, though.
Yeah, there's a lot of bike kids. That's you're probably seeing a lot.
Yes,
Or if I see the dot.
Oh, it's going to do some welding. So do you guys have a power cord by any chance that we could get some power to this beast?
Yeah, sure.
Just to run our computers that are... then we don't have to stink up the generator?
Yeah, definitely. Actually, we could probably just tell the one from Freestar right now, really.
Oh yeah, this is the Freestar. I didn't get to get the outside.
Plug in on this thing.
On the back corner. But we've got a long cord.
Say what?
We've got a long...
Oh, you have a long... You think you can reach
Oh.
to like here-ish? Or should we grab another cord?
Tino, did we bring the yellow cord? Oh. Oh, smart. I would have totally left it there.
How about that, huh?
So look at the stuff. This is so amazing. This is all... There's the orange netting they used to capture the 700 people on the Brooklyn Bridge.
If you get a cord long enough, you can just plug it right into this little guy right here. That might be the closest thing we got.
Sweet.
Yeah. I think it's fine.
If you start to get homesick, I'll get you some of that orange. Make you feel at home.